If you are feeling overwhelmed by TOEFL, you are at the right place. Our TOEFL program is nothing like what you'll find in traditional prep books. You'll learn in a dynamic, feedback-rich environment with personalized support at every step of your journey. Our courses will provide you with tools, tips, and strategies so you can perform with confidence and within the time constraints. Each lesson is designed to help you build your skills gradually with a realistic plan. Access lessons anytime, anywhere. Study at your own pace with our mobile-friendly platform. Get personalized feedback and one-on-one coaching so you can focus on the areas that matter most. Preparing for TOEFL doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Let us share the load by giving you the guidance and support you need to succeed. You're not just preparing for a test. You're preparing for a future. Whether it's grad school, career opportunities, or personal goals, TOEFL is the gate, and we are here to help you unlock it. For more information, please visit us at our website at englishtestpreplab.podia.com.